That's a good chicken nugget.
Awesome.
So, tonight, a little nostalgic for a classic, chicken nuggets. Reminds you of childhood, maybe? Anyway, it requires chicken, thyme, and a little bit of love. Let's get to it. Chicken breast is best for this dish, plus sifted flour with salt and pepper, a couple of eggs and some heavy cream, and some spiced up breadcrumbs with dried herbs. Take all the skin off of the breasts and save them. This is a wonderful opportunity to cook them later. Refer to my chicken skin video if you want a delicious snack. Cut up the breasts into nuggets about 1 centimeter thick. Try to keep each piece as even as possible. Then apply at least salt, maybe some Old Bay seasoning to each piece. Set up mise en place and then generously coat each nugget with first flour, then egg wash, and then pack with breadcrumbs. Lay them out in a plate to be fried later. Add a generous amount of cooking oil to a pan set to medium-high heat. Add as many pieces as will fit. Then cook for 2 minutes on each side until golden brown. After each batch, you may want to add a couple more tablespoons of cooking oil. Remove to a plate and it's ready to serve. All right, so again, another lonely night. I'm going to be doing the taste test. Moment of truth. Chicken nuggets. Juicy. The flavors. My God. You cannot get this anywhere else. You can't go to a shop, to a restaurant and get this type of quality. Incredible. What are you looking at, Ozzy? You want some? Sit. Wait. Go. Good boy. He's a good boy. Up. Good boy. Makes children of all ages happy. Chicken nuggets. So tonight I'm going to finish with a very special, the Glenlivet Nadura, finished in Oloroso sherry casks, and this monster Texas Lancero cigar. Keep cooking until next time. Ozzy, you want some more?